Hello, Justin. How's it going? This is Cisco from Amplified Digital Marketing. I spoke with Andrea earlier this morning, and we had a good conversation. I mentioned that if you guys were interested in just being able to outbeat your competition online and generate more business to your business, so that way you guys can grow more clients. So I'm gonna jump right to it. Give you guys some ideas as far as what you could do to do just that. So I'm gonna jump right to it. So some of the things that I look at when I look at any given website, I'm looking at their content. Do they have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? Okay, the reason why is because that helps to be optimized with Google. Second thing I'm looking for is keywords. Do you have keywords specifically like this, right? Pensacola AC repair. So I see that you have him here. However, that's keyword stuffing that could affect your overall rankings. Now, this is exactly what you need to be doing, but not in that format. Those are the keywords that you need to be ranking for. Now, let's just dive in a little bit deeper, okay? Now, let's go to this tab here. So this tab helps me understand how well your website is performing. Okay, it gives me an idea as far as like what you're doing well. So this section here, this is your strength or your authority score. You're currently being indexed at 19, and this is your trust flow currently being indexed at 7. You're asking yourself, well, where do I need to be considered a strong website? I'm going to say easily over 30 on both. Okay, you want to be very close to each other when it comes to these numbers. That's considered the golden ratio. Some of the things that affect these scores, one of many, is your backlinks. Okay, you currently have 764 backlinks with 59 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links, they act like an endorsement for your website. However, not all of these links are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. If you were to get a backlink, like let's say from your local pizzeria, it can hinder your overall scores. The last thing I want to show you is your organic keywords, okay? I want to know what you're currently being indexed for. So it looks like let's see what we got here. What I'm looking for is buyer intent keywords with local areas like this. Appliances, Pensacola, okay? Let's stick to this one. Pensacola appliance repair. The reason why is because one, someone that's searching for appliance repair are needing your services, and you know right away they're in the Pensacola area. Second thing I want to show you, same keyword, I'm just going to scroll up here, is the volume. This is an estimated number of times that people are searching for this keyword every single month on Google. Now, let's look at one of your competitors real quick. So we got Emerald Coast Aplliance Repair. What are they doing? What keywords are they being ranked for? Clearly they're your competition. Now, let's go to Ahrefs. Okay, same thing what I did with yours. I want to know their power. 18 for their power, less than 1% or just 1 in their trust flow. This is the backlinks, they're referring domains, and they're ranking for 754 keywords. Now, this is where I want us to kind of dive in a little bit. Appliance, Pensacola Appliance Repair, but look, they're ranked number 1. So you're asking yourself, how is that even possible if your scores are higher? Well, guess what? They're working specifically on this keyword. They understand the value of being ranked for that keyword. Now, let's go over here. Let's go to Google. Okay, we're going to take this keyword and type it into Google. And let's see what shows up. Appliance repair Pensacola. Let's take it section by section here, Justin. Follow me. So this is the Google guarantee section. Okay, this is where people are paying for ads. Anytime you click on here, they get what is called a cost per click. They get a call, but they're going to have to pay for that call. Second thing, which is my favorite, is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Some of the ways to increase your rankings are 1, get more reviews and reply to those reviews. 2, get your content optimized. 3, get your photos optimized. Okay, those are some of the things that you want to focus on. The last thing I want to show you is the organic listings, meaning you're not paying for ads, right? Google is organically ranking you based on how well your site's performing. We got Emerald Coast Aplliance, Angie's List, Yelp. We got Paradise Repair Appliance, Sears Home Services, and large appliance repair. So you're probably asking yourself, well, where are you? Well, like I mentioned, there's some things that you just got to make some tweaks on. But if you have any questions on how you can do that and you can appear more on Google searches, which is going to help you get more clients, quality clients, I would say, go ahead and email me back. Okay, give me a call. Text me at 509-949-9300. Let's connect. Now, if you say, Justin, you know what, this is good information. Let me go ahead and take this and do it myself. No harm, no foul. Go ahead and take this free video. Like I said, you have reference to it. So just go ahead and implement those strategies. But once again, like I said, no harm, no foul. Just shoot me an email. Let me know where your mind's at either way. So thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.